Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Talo. One more. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! So, kung naghahanap kayo ng bagong laro for the entire family or for your friends, this is perfect. You can play it with 2, 3, or even up to 4 players. So, paano nga ba ito nilalaro? So, each player will be assigned a deck of cards. Kapag start ng game, babaliktarin mo lang siya, and then whatever yung makuha mo dito, dapat ganong shape din yung bubuuin mo. Katulad nung sa akin, ito yung nakuha ko, so ito dapat yung bubuuin ko. And then, for that round, kung sino man yung una makasunod at makabuo, dun sa kanilang assigned na shape ng face, can press the bell. Whoever has the fastest completion, siya po yung winner for that round and will be getting 1 point. Very straightforward lang siya, napakadali po niyang laruin at ang ganda rin nito kasi it's something so portable. Pwede mo lang siyang ilagay dito and then pwede mo nang dalhin kahit saan, kahit sa inuman, kahit sa travel, camping, picnic, kahit nasan po kayo, you can bring this at hindi po siya mahirap laruin. Ang maganda pa dito is that you can play with multiple players. Kung mag-isa ka, pwede kang mag-timer. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng bago niyong paglilibangan, it's something that's really fun, then you might want to give this a try. Stay safe and peace out.